To see all purchased apps on Google Play, follow these steps. First, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Once the app is open, tap the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, select the My Apps and Games option. This will take you to a list of all the apps that are currently installed on your device. To see all the apps you have ever purchased, tap the Library tab. In the Library tab, you will see a list of all the apps you have ever installed from the Google Play Store, including those that are no longer installed on your device. This list includes both free and paid apps, as well as apps that you have purchased and then uninstalled. To filter the list and only see the apps that you have purchased, tap the Install button and then select the Not Installed tab. From here you can see all the apps that you have purchased but are not currently installed on your device. To reinstall a purchased app, simply tap the Install button next to the app. You will not be charged again for the app, as you have already purchased it. It is also important to note that the Google Play Store keeps a record of all your purchases, so you can easily reinstall any app you have ever bought, even if you have changed devices. By following these steps, you can easily see all the apps you have purchased from the Google Play Store and reinstall them if needed. This can be very useful if you need to restore your apps after resetting your device or switching to a new one.